In the blue corner, Odalis, Pena. And in the red corner, Tony Rivera.
All right, here we go. Big reach advantage by Campos. Oh, he's coming in. Blue corner is coming in. Yeah. There it is. Pressure by blue. Ooh, nice uppercut by red. Oh, yeah. That's classic demonstration of ranges. So Tony has a big support. Use of clinch fighting by Tony. Their tactics. So see, he's doing a good job closing in, man. Very good job closing in. Wow. Nice knee by Tony. Oh, Odalis, man. Odalis is winning the second round. Yeah, Tony's having a little trouble. I don't know why Tony's fighting in the pocket like this, man. Nice cross by Odalis, man. Odalis, by the way, this is his hobby. You know, Odalis has 2 businesses. Wow, whoa, wow. The audience is going wild. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Southpaw versus Orthodox. Yeah, Odalis closing in. Odalis doing such a good job closing in, man. No Odalis, man. Odalis smells blood. Wow. Oh, wow. Exiting the clinch, right? Oh, Odalis with a great cross. Wow. Oh, okay. Wow. Woo. Little hook by Campos. Oh! Campos had a little comeback right here. Now, we're in the pocket. Wow. Oh, they are just wailing. Look at this. Wow.
Your winner, Odalis.
Yeah, I agree with that decision. I called it for Odalis too. So yeah, I agree with that decision. Some of the audience is of course not happy with that, but I think the edge, it was an edge, like a very, 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 very slight edge by Odalis. So I agree.